In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page survey using Mailerlite in just 5 minutes. First, let's dive into why this is beneficial. Creating a landing page survey is an effective way to gather information from your audience, which can help tailor your marketing strategies to better meet their needs. Now let's get started with the process. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Mailerlite homepage. If you don't already have an account, take a moment to familiarize yourself with their services. Mailerlite is a powerful tool for email marketing, offering user-friendly options to engage your audience. Once you're ready, click on the login button at the top right corner of the screen. You'll be prompted to sign in, and one of the easiest ways to do this is by selecting Sign In with Google. This method is quick and secure, ensuring your credentials are protected. Once you're logged into your account, direct your attention to the dashboard. Here you'll find various options, but what we need is the Sites tab. Click on that to proceed. Next, locate the Create Site button and click it. This will lead you to a page where you can begin setting up your landing page. You'll want to name your site accordingly. Think about what will resonate best with your audience or what aligns with your survey's theme. After typing in your chosen site name, click on Save and Continue. This smooth transition ensures your project's foundation is securely in place. Now it's time to select your subscriber groups. Subscriber groups are crucial because they allow you to segment your audience, personalizing their experience based on interests or behaviors. After choosing the groups that align best with your survey's objectives, click Continue to move to the next step. On the following page, you'll see various templates. Look for one labeled E-commerce survey. This option is pre-designed to collect valuable feedback related to your products or services. Click on Choose to select this template, which will become the canvas for your landing page survey. Once the template is loaded, you have the chance to customize it to best suit your needs. Feel free to make any necessary adjustments to the text, images, and questions within the template. This is where you can let your brand's identity shine. When you're satisfied with your edits, click on Done Editing to finalize your changes. And that's it, you've successfully created a landing page survey in Mailerlite. This efficient process not only bolsters your marketing strategy, but also allows for a deeper connection with your audience through valuable feedback. Thanks for watching, and happy surveying.